I wonder if that even actually works. Because this is not dynamic. I need to do something different besides that. Oh, I don't know. Why with machines you aren't polite? What do you mean? There's nothing to be polite to. They don't have feelings, they're not conscious, they're not living. There's nothing here except me talking to nothing. Like they're just ones and zeros. There's nothing here to be polite or not polite to. I refuse to sort of like humanize the machines. Maybe polite to the statistical model. I consider it a moral imperative to be nice to people. Yeah, I've found that when you tell it it's very wrong, it does a better job of trying on the next one. Probably because when people say that they're very wrong for something, they correct further. Say please or GPT will cry. Okay. The ones and zeros, they gonna cry. But GPT is not a person, and I won't, anthropomorphize it. Call Jippity. It's crying. Quit yapping and get on with it. Right. I would never say quit yapping to a person. But it actually works. Okay. So, I guess we can say, what are the rules that we can do? Alternatively, you can specify tag by name. How can I see what all of the rules are? Pain module. Easy scratchpad. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. Nice. Here we go. Let's see. Here's the core on Pastebin. Awesome WM scratch module. Top of file local scratch. Awesome scratch. Awesome scratch pad. Okay. Well, I guess it's easier to read through here. ST classic. That makes sense. Description open scratch pad terminal. Group is term. Rule any instance of scratch class scratch. Icon name scratch pad URXVT. Floating true. Okay. Cool. How would I don't know how I would do something like, how would I execute this from Obsidian? You know what I'm saying? Oh, that's pretty cool that they're toggling this. That's pretty cool as well. True. But in all seriousness, chat, I would recommend not treating ChatGPT like it's a human. I think it will mess with your brain if you treat it like it's a human. Default rule instance equals scratch. Turn off. Scratch rule or default rule. If client focus and all the rules match client focus rule, turn off. Scratch. Okay, so the toggles the scratch. Okay, interesting. That creates a scratch workspace on top. Bro, your bot's in my Discord. I can't even kick it. That can't be true because I don't have a bot. Nice try. To be fair though, we don't know cause constant trap could have feeling. That said, I don't try and be nice to any objects. Well, but I don't believe that. Like, I think we have a soul, so I think it's something beyond just like the physical reality that we have. I think there's something beyond the physical reality that we experience just like right in front of us. Like there's more to the world than what my eyes can see. So it doesn't like make me think. Search Tej announcements. You must be like following. The announcements channel or something like this? I don't know. It's like a Discord feature for like publish or something like this. I don't know. Well, I don't know. I didn't do anything. I don't have a bot. Like quantum mechanics. Like quantum mechanics. I'm saying something beyond like the natural world is what I'm saying. It's okay if you don't agree with me. Lots of people don't agree. That's fine, but that's okay. Okay, so this is pretty interesting because we can do scratch rays. No idea any video be useful, but there's no toggling scratch rays workspace in awesome dev. Yeah, we can check it out. Let's see.
So Super D, and there's our scratch pad terminal. Toggle it away.
So it's the same one every single time, which is interesting.
So hopefully you found that informative, and I'll get everything ready for you.
That's a pretty cool one. I'll give this video a thumbs up. We can probably take something along these ideas. So my main problem is what I want to do is I want to do something. Man, I haven't looked at my awesome WM config in a while. Config awesome RC Lua. We don't need to be printing these off every time. So much old stuff here. Kind of fire. Nice. Yeah, sorry, Kimo. I don't know. Like, I don't know what to tell you. I've got no idea. It looked like a spam when you said it because of your first chat. It looked like a spam, so I thought maybe you were a bot. You're good, though. Okay, so... Yeah, useless gaps, agreed. Nah, you're good, you're good. You're good, no worries. My awesome menu. I've forgotten everything about this. My launcher, blah, blah, blah. My text clock, blah, blah, blah. Tagless buttons. Okay, maybe before we try and do this, let's just see. Hey, yeah, you too. See Kinmo. Okay, actually, before we try and do this, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's see if we can just open up a NeoVim from here. Right? And then read the results back into this block. Right? Maybe that's a better strategy first. And then we can worry about having to be floating and stuff afterwards. Because what I'm thinking about doing is... I think I do want to do this strategy here, which is we do some like embed highlights, this NeoVim highlight, or maybe like start NeoVim and NeoVim, right? Something along these lines. I think that's a nice plan, right? So I think this is kind of the goal. So let's see if we can make this happen. Main. Yeah, let's get rid of this and let's get rid of Fire and Vim for right now. Don't remember awesome having a convenient IPC controller, but it's a while. Yeah, I'm not sure that it does, Alex. So I think we might not be able to... We might be able... What we could do is we can just do something like set the title of something or make some rule, like if it's NeoVim editing this kind of file, then we could do something there. Thanks, honey. Okay, so let's go ahead and try and do... We'll add a new command. Oh, this is also a new event that we want to handle here, right? So we'll get the lines here. JavaScript. And stir fry. This time, instead of start NeoVim and NeoVim. Okay. Migos. I don't know. What? This one is not, this isn't right. This isn't right. This is not actually an event. We want to make a new command. Which is, let's do it more like this. Add command. And we'll have ID is, add NeoVim, highlight, something like this. Stir fry. I just still don't get the joke. It's a song. Got it. Oops. My bad, wrong audience. Nice. That's okay. Sometimes I tell jokes and they don't land either. Like maybe once every 6 months or something. So you don't need to feel bad. How can I get the current file? This app. Get new file, rename file, generate markdown link, get available path for attachment, process font matter. Maybe this is workspace? Get current file. Nice, thank you. Get active file. Nice. Not current, active. It's Cody, but yeah, same idea. Let's comment this part out for a second, and then we can do console log lines 0, something like this. And this should be getting reloaded, right? Oh, I'm not reloading it yet because I didn't do this npm run dev. Why am I not getting any? What? Why is it? What? Hello? TypeScript language server? Oh, I need to say async here. Oh, it can't be. Callbacks can't be asynchronous? That's annoying. We just write this as a separate thing, I guess. But it's just not. This says that it's not asynchronous. Where's it complaining? Oh, this one can't say away because the rest of it's not. Got it. Okay. Let's go ahead and make a async function neovim highlight command. With, it's gonna pass a plugin. My plugin. Okay. And then we go inside of here. If I don't, it's fine to just call an async function, right? It's like, it's one of those dumb things about JavaScript. Like, you could just do this if you wanted. Oh, man. Plugin. Uh, 97. Oh, or is that why it was failing? All right, so I wanted to try neovim. Add a neovim highlight block. Nice. And so we got the first line. There we go. Beautiful. Is this post up? No. No, it's not. We're going crazy now. We're going crazy now. We're going crazy. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this. This should reload, right? Nice. Start neovim, which is what I said. Start neovim. End neovim. Nice. Okay. Let name line file start. Blah. Neovim start flag here. Line length here. We don't need this, actually. Oh, this should be... Okay, so this might work. This should get... I think. Oh. Okay, nice. Okay, sweet. So that's working again, chat. That's working again. So that embedded the file directly. Okay. So that's cool. We need to make sure that we need to fix this problem. Did I not fix this in the other one? Can the other one sometimes do this? Bullet modify join lines join. I plus 1. Because where is my... I should be looking for the end flag here. And then removing... I need to find where the end of this is. Line splice. What does this do again? Isn't this some weird one? We need to offset. Where's the offset? Line slice of... Neovim end flag. I just did the wrong thing. There we go. Okay, so that adds this in. So then let's say we go to this file, which it should let us open right now, which is funny. And we say something like float of float. We go here and we say float f, print float f, like this, right? And when we go back to here and we do neovim. Oh, chat. Oh, chat. We're getting close now. Oh, we're getting close now. You know what I mean? Because what we need to do now is we need to say, okay, in between this, what do we need to do between this? We need to run, because this would say neovim. So let's try and do this. Let's see if we can get the neovim thing to work. So can't we do like process exec or something? There's got to be some like async. This is definitely a ChatGPT one because I really don't care about JavaScript. Asynchronously run a command in JavaScript and collect the standard error into a string. Awaiting the result. Let me go this. Oh, probably spawn. Yeah. That seems good. Doesn't this have... Okay. Command. String. Args. String. String. Promise. String. Wait, no. This is an async function. Can't I just say string? Or do I remove this, right? And then I say promise? Dude, I do not write a lot of JavaScript. ChatGPT, right. On my blog, it spins. Is this right? Shouldn't this stuff be like outside of here? Oh no, I see. Okay, never mind. I got it. Capture standard error, right? All right, so let's try and do something here where we go, Dave? Whoa. It's JavaScript. In the service of writing an OCaml article. Okay? That's the only reason I'd write JavaScript. That's fair, right? That's fair. Yeah, don't worry, dude. Don't worry. Envim. And then we can say Vim API envim create user command. Run Obsidian. You can transpile OCaml to JS. Oh, we know. Dave knows. But then I would have to I would have to figure out how to do that inside of Obsidian. That's not a one day project, chap. Orzenheim, hey, thanks for the Twitch. 6 months of subbing. Isn't it like number args is 1? I get this one wrong every time. Print IO standard error. I need to write to this, right? I can do write running Obsidian. Okay. And IO standard error flush IO standard error write vim inspect args. Okay. So my thought is here we do, now I just have to remember how to do this. Nvim help plus C, execute command before any config. Nvim dash C run Obsidian. Hello. Oh, and then dash C Q. But it doesn't seem like we printed anything, does it? Standard error. Corresponding status error. You'd make sure the code is to use this variable to make your code more descriptive. Unlike standard error, use standard I open. Error is always open for writing. Okay, we'll try this then instead. Vim fn chan send vim.v standard error. Hello? We'll try that. Why is it not printing anything here? Shouldn't I see this? I thought I would get the standard error written out here. Oops. Nvim H. What else do we have? What else do I have options for here? Maybe one of these. Maybe headless? Headless plus C dash C run Obsidian. Hello? There we go. Dash C Q. Nice. There we go, chat. Now we just run NeoVim. We just run NeoVim. And see what happens. Right? So instead we want to do something like run Obsidian and let's go readme.md. Okay. So now we want to get, I get f args. So let file, local file name is args.args. Args.args, classic, an absolute classic. Chat, an absolute classic. Vim, fn, read, is it like read lines, read file. I couldn't say list, I think, right? File name. This returns a list of strings. Read file name. Each line of file is an item. Okay. Table concat this with this, and then we'll do IO standard error write like this, and then we'll get rid of these, and that's too many of those, so that's fine. Now we do the same thing. Okay, so now we do something else. We say, instead of just editing this, we'll do vim edit file name, right? Then we do require custom.obsidian.toHTML0 opt require. We are making Obsidian have NeoVim highlighting magically through HTML and then embedding that into my blog so that we can do it easily. I want to make it really easy to do, so I'm going to make sure a custom Obsidian plugin so that I can press one thing and it'll open up NeoVim, and then I can edit the file, and then when I'm done editing the file, it can be done, and then boom, bada bing, bop, boom, pop. We're set. You know, that kind of thing. So I think that makes sense. Ops. Awesome, I want that. Local lines is this. Oh, whoops, not Vim edit. Vim command edit. Now we're talking, chat. Look at it. Look at it. Okay. So now we go here. We go here. We say headless. Maybe we can do this without headless soon, but we'll try it just for this first one for right now. Dash C. Oh no, this is like dash C. And then we need run Obsidian name. Is it possible to get the entire path from this? Because this one may not work. We'll have to see. We will just see. And then dash CQ, right? Yeah. Dash CQ. Boom. And then let's put we'll put the output here. I don't know if this will work. It might get mad about this, but we'll see what happens. We're close though. That's just some stupid node thing, but that's fine. Do classic node problems. Node. No, that's fine. Huh, I wonder if it runs it from not as user. This song is what? Where's my Conroe, the small thing? Hey, my what? Dude, Twitch must have messed something up with colors. Conroe, the small things. Okay, so for some reason we're getting weird node versions. It's running. Oh, it's running in an weird version of node inside of here. Interesting. Okay, that's kind of goofy. It's because of some dumb standard. It's okay. Some of my plugins use Node, of course, obviously. All right, let's just hodl for a sec. I should be able to say Node. I think it's in. Where is my? Oops. Let me see if I can get the right, because this would be in like Mise. Oh, config probably Mise. Yeah, and then, or maybe it's in like local share. I can. Oh, beep beep beep. Whoops. Which node? Here we go. Okay. That's fine. All right, that should work then. Chat. Why are we running standard error? So we can capture it as a sub process. Okay, so now it's just that it doesn't know how to find the file, right? What we need to do now is when we get this file name here, file didn't open. Can you capture standard out? I think standard out is captured like within NeoVim. You can't just write to standard out. Like it's like NeoVim captures it from print and stuff. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't really, I only want like only things printing to standard error to happen. You know what I mean? So we're capturing that. That part isn't the main issue. What's up, Sam? So here we get this file name here, right? And we need to go something like plugin.app.vault find file, find the Obsidian file from this file. I don't know. Plugin. No, it's probably workspace, right? Find, get. Oh, not plugins. File. What? Where's my? Oh, it's app, probably workspace. Oh, file. Get active file. No. Find files. Is file contains, or is it? Maybe it's from vault. Vault. Get files. Do I really have to iterate over all the files? That seems crazy, right? Get file by path. Given path returns null file does not exist. I don't really think that that's it though. Search, because there's it's like by path basically, right? Get file by path. I mean, we can try, I guess, right? Something along these lines. We'll just see right here. No. Okay, so I can't find it. Get file by path. Maybe that's not it. Search for the matching file in the vault. Something like this. App. Dot. Nice. Beautiful. Can I get the full path? I guess path is probably fine, but I guess we'll just say path then. So we should have this, which is let file equals this, right? T file or null. If not file, return or continue, I guess. I don't know why it went down there. So then we can do file.path. Okay. Oh, okay. No, it still didn't. Can I get an absolute path? IO standard error, right? Trying to open file name. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking as well. Or it didn't reload. Oh, maybe it couldn't find this file? That could be two. That could be two. Maybe we'll just reload this just to make sure we didn't get stuck anywhere. Oh, I got it. Got it. Got it, got it. I equals I plus equals offsets. Plus. I think we're getting scuffed here. We'll try this. Nothing. Starting Neovim highlight, finish Neovim highlight 50. But we didn't put anything inside here. Oh, I see. We didn't get this. Wait, we already did this, though. What? How could we not? How do we get here, but then not here? Oh, I said... Oh, shoot. I said this. It's freaking plugin, dude. This is so stupid. I freaking hate this language. It's so bad. It's just so bad. Oh, man. What a language, chat. What a language. Oh, this is the resolved. We can just put this up here, I guess. We should put this here. And then instead of file, we can say resolved. And then we don't need to do this. We can say if not resolved. And we can say console log could not resolve file name. And then continue. And then we can just take all of these out, which is nice. Okay, so let's try this again. Okay, nice. Trying to open code while like OCaml or string. Okay. Well, that's weird. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Okay, we definitely messed that up. Let's try this again. Did we put everything inside here? Okay, well, that's not good. What is the name? What? Okay, we definitely scuffed it. Plugin, text, file, Neovim highlight command. Oh, shoot. Did I use file somewhere else? No. Could not find file name. Name. Neovim start flag length here. So it should be why I like OCaml int or string. No. Yeah, that should be this. That should be this file right here, which should just be, okay, why is it all of this? Okay, that we definitely scuffed. We definitely scuffed that. Okay, I don't know how we did that, but we scuffed that one real bad. We scuffed that one real bad, chat. Type T, string of string. I don't know how we wrote that to that file. We wrote the old code to that file somehow. Don't know how we did it, but we did it, chat. We did it big time. File. This is the active. Oh, because we said file here. I think we reused file. Okay, this is our file. Here's our resolved, right? This is our output. Okay, now let's try this again, shall we? Let's go. Let's go back to here. Nice. Okay, that's much better. I don't know why we're not. So we need to figure out what the current working directory is, right? Because that must be the problem. What is the current working directory here? Because it must be something different. Current working directory is this. We'll see what it is. Get base path. Home. Okay, that's not the right one. Adapter get base path. Okay, got it. Okay, sweet. Let base path is plugin.app.vault vault.adapter.getBasePath. Wait, what? Why does it not? It doesn't have it. Cody suggested it for me. Returns URI for the browser to use, for example, to embed an image. File, blah, 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 blah. Okay, nice. Nice. Resolved.path. Okay. So this should be this, and we should be able to go file resolved URI, right? And then we should be able to say this resolved URI like that. And then we go over to here, and then we can say local parsed is vim.uri URI decode URI to fname URI to fname file name. And then let's try doing this. It should be something like this, I'm pretty sure. So this will still be, whoops, this will still be scuffed, but that's okay. Trying to open app, blah, 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 blah. Well, that's not what I was expecting. I was expecting something quite different than that. It's possible. Adapter.basepath. Okay. I don't have that for some reason. So one possibility is should just be a property. So it could just be base path before. No, I don't think so. Path. Config dir, get the path. Obsidian, no. Path, get file by path. Get root. Get the root of the current vault. What? But didn't I just check this? Oh, this is on the vault. Whoops, not the adapter. Get file by path. So let's just do get root, right? Okay, so then it's not gonna be this, and we can, well, we'll just undo all of this here. And we go here, and we just say, let, you know, path. What's, I can just do this. I don't really care. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Absolute path. Oh yeah. Thanks. Well, that's not what I wanted. How to get Vault Absolute Path. That probably does help. Oh, that's pretty funny. We could also, I don't really care. I don't mind doing this. This dot vault dot. Well, let's change this to be here. Base path. Const base path is this, but we'll do This is a good one. I like this strategy the best because this is how I like to write TypeScript. Now that's TypeScript, boys. Nice. Yes, that's good. That's actually good. We got the right thing now this time, finally. We got the right thing, finally. Yo, Goku. Hey, thanks for the channel support. Appreciate it. It's a different type of thing, but I don't really care. We'll solve this. To do. When this starts failing, this is why. Right? I mean, that's just true, you know. We'll just leave that there for ourselves for later. That's okay. So now, what are you writing anyways? Oh, we're close here. Because here is the code, right? So now it's saying you haven't... Language servers in and uninstalled been superpath are not executable. Oh, right. That's because I don't have OCaml LSP installed in this directory, right? So we should probably have something that turns this off before we... I don't know why all of these are getting printed though. That part's kind of annoying. Like, I feel like this shouldn't come from standard error. Do I have a different option from NVim not to... Oh, another option would be we could write this back in some other way. Types are fake. Exactly. Future teach will hate past teach. Many such cases, Chad. Many such cases. Because I want to write to standard error, basically. I mean, the simple option is... Oh, I got a good option. So, let output lines is this, right? And so then we'll go, let output neovim is just in empty string for let line of output lines. Let recording is false. If line dot includes or line, it would be like neovim, like this. Then then recording equals true. If recording, I do want to record this line. If recording, then we're gonna do output neovim plus his line this. And then if line is equal to this, then break. And then instead of doing output, we'll just say output neovim. And then we'll delete this and delete this and delete this and do that. And we don't need to do this. Oh, yes. Yes. Beautiful. Yes, beautiful. Technically, now that I think of it, I don't even need this. Blog time. It's honestly too easy. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is I don't know if we even need this. I think we can just do something like this where we, instead of saying start NeoVim, let's say include NeoVim. And then I don't even think I want to do this NeoVim end flag. Right? So let's go back to here. And then we're not going to get this offset. We're going to look for... Right, so I'm thinking I can just end it when I get a line that's this triple tick. Right? So I just end at the next line that's a triple tick. Right? Like this. I want to know when I get this line. And then otherwise it's exactly the same. So I should be able to delete this. We should be able to open this up and say float of float, right? Go back to here and do NeoVim. Did we not find it? Dang. Okay, well, interstring. Do we have something not building here? Let's try reload. Oh, thank you. Yep. Right, I changed it from start to include, which I like better. Claws of Prey. 10 out of 10. First chat. Let's go. Now add a NeoVim block. Now add a NeoVim block at the beginning of the file. Yeah, so we can go like this. Testing, this doesn't get deleted, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, okay, so now we go back to here, and we delete this, and we go back to here, and we say NeoVim, and then we include it, and then it's gone. Yup. 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 Let's go. Let's freaking go, chat. Now add a NeoVim block at the beginning file, but with a new block. Oh, I know. If we don't have this, then we're screwed. I'm already aware. So then what are we going to do? Oh, joke's on you. I'm going to write myself an insert one that puts this in here with an empty NeoVim. You know what I'm saying? We could also check. Oh, I've got another idea. Joke is on me. I've got another idea. Here, watch this. Offset. If lines I plus 1 not equal to Lua tick 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 NeoVim, right? Let offset equals 0. Offset equals 1, I guess, something like this, right? Else, right? So here we could go, if we don't have anything right after this, then we're not gonna delete anything. It might even just be 0. I don't actually know. We have to test it. Classic off by 1, you know? So let's delete all of this. Oops, not. I keep on doing publish. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Okay, so now we could publish this, right? And if we went to here, we refresh this, we should have a embedding NeoVim into Obsidian. And we get it right there, chat. Oh, baby. Now that feels really good. That feels really good. Does it not feel just like It just feels really good. Oh man. Programming feels good. Okay. That's how I feel. Royalties. Oh, did I not mention chat is MIT licensed? Sorry. So I will take your open source work for my profit. Anything I say is BSD licensed, BSD 2 business licensed, or whatever it is. So you guys can't use anything I say for money. Your tweets belong to the Rust Foundation. Don't say anything worth copying. Every chat you say belongs to this. Feels, why am I so cool? Exactly. Why, like, okay, well, people often ask me, hey, Tej, you're a cool streamer. Why do you like OCaml so much? Like, look at it right here, proof. Tej, you're a cool streamer. Why do you like OCaml so much? Hello, OCaml, you're a cool chair. Why do you like streamers so much? Many such cases. This is shaping up to be a solid blog post, chat. Like a solid blog post. Maybe we'll start writing it today. What do you guys think? Nah. We'll probably just yak shave for a while longer. Okay, we haven't done we still haven't done the thing where this edits it in NeoVim. When I asked my CTO, why did you use him like 10 years ago for the crawler, backend, etc.? Oh, I can't wait. He said, why not? Very based. Very based. It's a great question. And here we are, writing server reason React, implementing React components the way they should have been done the first time. It's music. It's just Monster Cat Chill. Okay, so then something I don't like is I don't like that in this it shows this ML file. This is not a good experience. So I think we should just remove this and go like this. That's the next thing we should do. Because I don't think we actually need that. So when we go here, name, neovim substring, line length -3, trim. And then we just don't need this part. We just don't need this part here. I'm pretty sure if we do this now, and we go and change y like this, and we say Dave of cool. We go back, and we do NeoVim. And we get Dave of cool. Yeah. See, I like that better because now when we publish this, right? I'm Dave, by the way. When we publish this now, right? Then I don't get this link to a file that isn't actually in my graph. I think that part's a little bit confusing, right? You know what I'm saying? That seems a bit confusing. So I like that we don't do that. Let's actually be... Is there a way to write to the parent standard error from within NeoVim during an interactive session? But this didn't seem to work for me. We can try this. Let's try this. If we go NeoVim and we do run Obsidian, we just say like git octane.ml readme.md, and then we escape. How do I capture? Can I do this? Is it ant? Oh my goodness. I forgot how to do this. I can't believe I forgot how to do this. Out.txt. It's like this, right? Oh, so maybe that does work. What is all this garbage at the end? What's all this garbage at the end, though? It seems kind of weird. Here's what I'm working on this. What are you? Okay, let's try this without headless, chat. Let's try this without headless, where I should be able to spawn a new terminal, right? Yeah, test. So basically, this opens up a NeoVim, runs a bunch of Lua, generates HTML highlights. Those highlights then get inserted into my Obsidian, so that then when I publish this, we get a perfect pixel for pixel representation of the code that I had inside of my NeoVim thing. Okay, separate question. Now that I'm thinking this, because it's not truly this until we get Berkeley graphics, which is US graphics now. Can I use this on my website? Because I paid for it. I don't remember what my license says, though. Nice. Want to host a personal blog is covered. Sweet. I'm pretty sure that's what I did, right? Developer package. Yes, that's the one that I got. Sweet. Okay, so I can use this. I bought that. I've got the right license then. Personal blog. Then the question becomes, how do I do that? How can I include a font? How can I include a font in this? Can I find this font online already? Not sure for publish, but for themes, basics for embed fonts into themes since we can't do local files. That's what I was wondering. How to embed a font into a CSS file. Right, that's kind of what I was thinking. It's like, because I already paid for it. But then I need to actually, like, load the file, right? Download the font. Place the font file. Place the font in your project directory. But I can't do that, right? That one won't work. How could I do it literally in the CSS file? I can't use any other files. I can pre-process the font. It's a classic strategy, I guess. Oh, I don't want to host it. I definitely don't want to host it anywhere. That seems kind of scummy to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want anybody else to just be able to then pull from my thing. They need to go and, like, really be... like... They kind of really need to be a weenie and go do it elsewhere. Well, wait a second. The other question would be for Berkeley graphics. Well, yeah, I know, but it says that I can use it on here, but it's still different. Because I was wondering, do they have Berkeley Mono? These are all literally pictures though, right? Maybe I should just ask what the right way is. Hey, at US Graphics, I have the developer license for Berkeley Mono, which he knows because we've chatted several times. I wanted to know what the right way to use it as a font on my personal blog would be. I don't want to host it / put it somewhere that would be too easy for people to yoink it or break the license. Or if I'm just dumb, let me know what I missed. Otherwise, I'll DM him later. Okay, so we could do that later because then we could put that as the font for this, and oh boy, that would be nice. What's up, Chuckata Cove? Like, that would be really nice, because then we're truly getting the pixel for pixel. Aswaf 2. Oh, do they? Oh, hit me. Hit me with the... Where do they host it there? Well, because can I use the same one that they're doing? You know what I'm saying? Francois, you got a link? Check your network requests. For when I do what? When I go to typefaces? Berkeley mono data, woof. I guess you're right. Oh, good, and it's on a CDN and everything? Well, we can test this out for a sec, right? So I should be able to go to publish CSS, and we should be able to say what? Font. Wait, how do I do this? I don't know how to do at font face. Do I have to do these shenanigans here? Font face declaration first, name the font, and then that. Okay. Okay. And then we can go back to here. Wait, where did I put this? Copy URL. And then can I say font family, Berkeley mono. Whoops. Berkeley mono. Yeah. Okay, let's try that. It's just me or that doesn't look right. We got monospace here. Oh, this one gets overridden by this, right? We didn't find this, though. It didn't find it, right? That's why that's scratched. Just throw on the important again. I don't think it could find it. I threw the important on and it didn't work, chat. Riddle me that, huh? Because we have a pre here. Maybe we need to go pre for this. Yeah, so can I do pre like this? Like this, right? Oh, well, I should probably put this here. Like this kind of idea. That doesn't seem like it worked. We're still getting monospace here. Font family, Berkeley. So I don't even have it though. Like that's not right. That's not the right font. Did I do something wrong here, chat? That wouldn't surprise me if they don't serve the whole thing. That's what I feel like, right? That's why I would not do this. Why would it not suggest the person that I'm talking to here? It's crazy. Did we hear back from US Graphics? We have not yet. We have not. Okay, that's fine. Try defining in the body with font monospace theme variable. That's how you usually do for themes. I would order the default font and MC. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, we can try that. So you're saying put this here. Maybe like this. Like this. I can put this here, right? And then you're saying, where did we have Berkeley Mono? Here. We'll go here. And then font monospace. Monospace. But I don't, no one, it's not using that anywhere. It still will work though. You're saying I could just put font monospace theme Berkeley Mono. It doesn't have the right glyphs. Okay, well that's fine. Okay, let's just try. We'll just try it, right? Let's just try this. Let's try in base 64 and code it, right? I mean, it's like it's fine for right now. I don't think anyone in chat, nobody do anything stupid and like try and steal this, okay? I'm sure you can find the font for free. You know what I mean? Like if you were trying to take it without paying. So I'm not super worried about someone in chat trying to just like yoink it for no reason. Okay, so how was I supposed to do this again? Basics. Can I just run base 64 like on the command line for the font and then copy pasta it in? Local font FC local font config. Where are my fonts? Base 64 local share fonts. Berkeley Mono regular, I guess. Oh, that's funny. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. Envim, temp. Or we'll do like local bin, like font conf, font base 64. User bin env node or something. Can I just do this to find the right node for this function? And we'll just copy pasta this, right? Node lang. How do I read process.argv, right? Arg, is it not process argv or something? What's, man, I haven't written this in a while. Get the first command line arg. I don't remember. Is it not process? Do I need to import something for that? What do I even do? I don't even remember, chat. Get first command line arg node. Process argv. I was right. I should have trusted myself. Argv 2. But it's probably 1 in this case because I'm just going to run it like this. Base 64 convert this to this. Read Reader read as data URL. What does this do? Oh, this console. Okay, interesting. Okay, we'll try this. This will be kind of funny. Change mod plus X local bin font base 64. So if I do font base 64 and then I do local share fonts Berkeley mono regular. File reader isn't defined. It's 2, I think. Oh no. Prime's catching me writing JavaScript. Shoot. Oh no. Pack up the stream. Just pack it up. I'll see you guys later. Okay, just put this away. Oh, that's not what I meant. I don't want to show up either. It's fine. I don't even care. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you later. Whatever. I'm gone. Just have a good day here. Listen to some music instead. Okay, fine. Well, it's for a good cause, Chad. It's for a good cause, all right? This is why we're writing JavaScript. Is everyone ready? Watch this. So suppose I have, I'm writing a blog post, say, right? I'm writing a blog post. And we've got something like an OCaml file, all right? So we got something like this. We got this. And then we say the primogen of int, okay? Right? We go back to here. I would like this to be updated. So we can say neovim here. Neovim like this. And we'll add this highlight block. And you'll notice that this comes in here. Now you're thinking, how did he do that? And why is that cool? Well, this is actually the HTML generated to exactly replicate. Do I have 2 songs playing at the same time? How do I have 2 songs playing at the same time? It's a good question. What just happened? Where's my other music coming from? Oh, you know what it is? I didn't even know. I can't find the tab. Maybe I had Prime's stream open in the background. Well, whatever. We'll just leave it for now. I'll just assume that it's okay. All right. So it's JavaScript's fault. Good point. This is exactly the HTML that represents what this file would look like if I opened this up inside of neovim. See how these look the same? Chat, see how these look the same? Look at that. See how they're the same? And then when we publish this, like this, we put this here, and we refresh this page, we get this. Okay, right? This is literally, we're getting the exact highlights from my neovim, syntax highlighting, put into the blog. Okay? And beyond that, I mean, do you guys see this copy button? I made this myself. Are you impressed? It cracks your syntax highlights or something? Yeah. And then look at how good the icon is when we copy it. Not too bad, huh, chat? Not too bad if I do say so myself. How did we do that? Vanilla JavaScript, vanilla CSS, no build, of course. Set raw, set timeouts, etc. Does it read the theming from your vimrc? Yes. It loads it up in an embedded neovim. How does it work? It opens up a neovim. It opens the image, opens the file. It runs over the highlights. It generates the HTML from the highlights. It then spits those out to standard error. Then we read that standard error. We put it inside of here. We write a custom code block highlighter that takes this and then inserts this back as HTML to itself, so that then we can put this right into the blog with file over app. File over app. We always keep everything going on. Okay? How long do you spend on that copy button? Not that long. It's not that much lines of code, you know? Right. That's how much I love OCaml. I'm even writing JavaScript to show how much I love it. He's lying. Okay, maybe it took a while. Okay, maybe it took a little while. But it was pretty cool. Okay, it's fine. The first idea was to have it sprint across the screen like Lightning McQueen. But it didn't look that good. So that was going to be what I was doing at first. But it didn't look as good as I was hoping. So we stopped on that one. And then we started with this. And we did that. We'll still find a way for Lightning McQueen to make sense. I feel confident we'll still find a way for Lightning McQueen to make a transformation. What about mobile users? What about them? Yeah. Are they going to be copy and pasting code? What? Where are they putting it? What? What are they going to do with it after this? Ooh, copy. I code on iOS. Just make it say ka-chow. We're thinking about that as well. Yeah, we'll probably have a way to change this, like, based on screen size stuff. It doesn't really matter. It was just for fun, okay? VS Mobile? No, thank you. Okay, what happened to my old music? Now we only have no songs playing. Okay. Search is not for blog that I'll never get post written. Yes, exactly, Josh. Thank you for understanding. Ka-chow, exactly. Make it so it comes fast and stops. Recently switched from VS Please Sensor to NeoVim. Code speed is 100x faster now, and also thinking speed, surprisingly. Nice. Can I post the clip I linked that I clipped the same? Of course, you can always post clips. Was that a real-time censorship sound? Yeah, we're not gonna say VS on the stream. I don't understand. Like... Oh, you see my hands. Really? Okay. In that case, chat, riddle me this, okay? VS code. Huh? VS code. All right? Guy. What are you even talking about? Here we go again. I've got an intern. No, I don't have a foot pedal. I literally lifted my leg up on top of my desk and then pressed it. I have a button right here. But chat's too slow. Very careful not to show my feet, though. You guys are degenerates coming from Prime Stream. Real-time censorship would have been more cool. Sure. Is this leg? I'm impressed by your ability to do that. Believe it or not, we've tricked many people into believing that's AI, just like many other companies trick you into believing that their demos are actually AI and not just someone sitting behind the curtain. That makes me think, was The Wizard of Oz really about AI companies and their demos? It's a good one. Anyways. AI, more like fancy Google. Exactly. Sora, Bunny B1. What's the bridge on your head? What? What? Alibaba Intelligence. Is that a Dactyl build? It is. Yeah, I didn't build it myself. I bought it, but yeah. This entire stream is AI. How did you guys know? Devin is real, by the way. Devin is real. They didn't fake anything. Original mechanical. Exactly. So anyways, chat, that's what we've been up to lately. We've been building this site for basically no reason, and exploring Obsidian stuff for funsies, just because it's been America Day, and I figured I'm free to spend my whole day making my highlights look exactly like they look in NeoVim. You know what I'm saying? Like, right, but now it's still America Week, so it's good. This is GitHub page. No, this is Obsidian Publish. It's America Year for me. We'll use whatever color scheme you got. That's exactly right. It will use whatever color scheme you have. What is a kilometer? I don't know. We don't have those here. I took today and Monday off from work, so America Day for 5 days. Nice. Obsidian's very cool. Yeah, I think Obsidian's great. Using 2HTML. Yep, but I have some custom stuff going on. I basically like forked 2HTML to do some stuff different for me. Can you change the color scheme and show us the workflow? Sure. So right now I have it so that I have one global NeoVim color scheme, because my thought would be, it seems like it would kind of suck to have each one have the styles embedded directly in them, because then if I change the site, then it would change everything. But like the really simple thing would be, I can generate all of the styles that I use by doing to Obsidian HTML. So basically I have a thing to insert all of my styles right here, right? So it just makes all my styles. It's not that exciting, but it just inserts them into something that looks like this. It says like, hey, you have this block language NeoVim and you want to do this. So if I had something like identifier, probably we could change this to be like FF0000, something like this. And then if I published this again, I think this will probably, well, no, let's go to type. We can change a type one, probably. Let me see what inspect. This is type. Or type built-in. FF0000, right? And then if we publish, so we publish this again, and we publish our CSS. We refresh the page. I don't know, maybe not. Did I do the wrong one? Maybe it's not type built-in. Maybe it's actually type. I'm not sure. I don't know which one is the one that generates the coloring for that. We should probably just check. Dash type. That's why. Dash type. FF000. I probably should have just looked like I knew what I was doing. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Right? So it's like if you just changed the colors, we would emit a new big blob of all of these things, and then you would do it everywhere, right? So we can just go back, and I don't want any of those because that would be bad. That looks ugly. Yeah, there you go. So you've seen Lord Floki new plugin which highlights colors? Yeah, there's some good color highlighting ones. Yeah, those did not look that good. Yeah. Ever tried XTMX? I've never tried XTMX, no. Use the Obsidian URL handler? Not really. HTMX. Yeah, ask Prime who introduced him to it, okay? Know your history. I think you might have just missed the last song. The playlist is just Monster Cat Chill. Color scheme built for Pistol Shrimp. I don't know what that is. This copy button is cool after all. Yep. Okay, so what we were working on now is what was I working? Oh right, I was writing JavaScript. Shoot, I forgot. I didn't want to admit it. Someone gave me an idea maybe where I don't have to do this though. Licensees obligated to take reasonable precautions. License option on reused in HTML or others permitted use in the context of web font use. You can only use it using @font face rule and access control allow origin. Okay. I don't know how to do that. Does anyone know how to do that though? Because that would be great if someone knew how to do that. Well, I was trying to get fonts to work. You know what I mean? I don't know anything about fonts. I don't do anything in the browser, chat. I don't know anything about this. JS moments, exactly. Maybe we can just skip this and we can come back to it later. Why have you been so obsessed with OCaml lately? Because I love it. It's fun language. That's what we're gonna write. We're gonna write a blog post about why I like OCaml. But in the meantime, we got distracted and we were writing about how we can embed NeoVim highlights into Obsidian. Just a classic developer thing. For now, I'm going to wait until I hear back from Berkeley Mono about how to do that. But what font provider are you trying to use? I want to use Berkeley Mono because that's the font that I use, but I don't want to break my license. So we'll wait until he says back. Okay, so in the meantime, then, we don't need to do that. Everything else is good. Right, so the next thing I wanted to do is I wanted to make a new file. Prevent CORS errors when the client browser tries to fetch the font. Okay. Well, we'll come back to it. I really don't care about it right now. The next thing that I want to do, sorry chat, little bit more JavaScript. It's a plugin built into Obsidian. If you pay for Obsidian Publish, you can just press publish, bada boom, bada bing, and it's done. They host it and everything is great. Particularly, that's what I'm saying. I don't know. I'm not going to do anything later till I hear back. So here's what we need to do next, chat. I want to write something to do something very simple where we say, I want to basically do, oh, this is update. This is not add. This is update. Add. This is update. NeoVim highlight blocks. And this is really like update NeoVim highlight blocks command. Okay. Okay, that's good. So then that should be NeoVim. This should be update NeoVim highlight blocks. Great. Actually, this is update include NeoVim. That's what we called it. Okay. This JS is fine. Mid-flight with bar checker. Yeah. Yep. So the thing that I want to do next, oh, this should really as well be called include update NeoVim. We'll do that. So the next thing we need to do is we need to say create include NeoVim block. Whoops. Create. Oh no, not this one. Yeah. 16J. Create include NeoVim block. Okay, and then this one should be create NeoVim highlight block like this. And then we'll do that, do here, and do this, and then say create NeoVim highlight block. And then now what we need to do is we want to... We basically need to just insert at the current... I actually don't. I want to basically just say something like... Oh, how did I do that modal before? Modal. Add code include. We want to do this kind of idea again here. Because this is going to be slightly different than this, because this is going to be highlight includer. We want to go here and do create NeoVim highlight block. We'll do include. Whoops. NeoVim include modal. We'll do that. And maybe we don't even need to do anything else besides this. Because if we do this, get items, get files, yeah, we want to do that. Maybe we want to filter these by not markdown. Filter extension not equal to MD. We just don't want to show the markdown files. There's no reason to. Oh, wait. No, this is not the one we want to do. This is like, okay, we do want to do this one, but this is not create. And this is like, we want to do one as well where we say basically like make, including event block. Make, generate, yeah, generate a new including event block with new file. Generate neovim highlight. Oops. Neovim highlight new neovim highlight block. Yeah. So we'll do a similar style again to this one. Awesome, this is Western. This is Western, yeah. Although I was just trying Ghosty and it was pretty cool. I might try and switch to Ghosty too. I don't know. It was interesting. So what do we want to do here? What we want to do here for this one is we want to do something like view. That's a little loud. This one's kind of a loud song. What's your thoughts on SourceGraph article? I didn't really read the whole thing, so I don't have a bunch of thoughts about it really. My sort of like main thought is I thought the article was saying a little bit more like it's a problem that there's going to be a gap for junior devs. But I also agree with Prime that I think some people are a little too pessimistic about it. For example, I've been thinking about making a video for a while just about like I've got some buddies in the trades and like they were useless at their job when they started, but that doesn't mean that they didn't get hired to learn new things and then know how to learn or like learn to do it better later. Does that make sense? So like it still seems possible to me to like to make that kind of thing happen. I didn't read the whole thing. I skimmed over some Prime's video for it. You guys can go read it for yourselves. We didn't really do it there. I was hired to put releases, but that was 9 years ago. Yeah. Create a plain text file in the vault. New file with extension, text content for the file. I'm trying to start now or having a much harder time. Yeah. Well, also I think like I don't know. I just think the like sort of like macroeconomic climate is not really that good right now. Personal opinion. You can like it or not like it is fine. Yeah, I like boot dev. I think boot dev's great. Let's do this. So it's underscore code, and then I need to do something here like date.now. Something like this. Yeah, I mean, I love boot dev. Yeah, you should use my promo code. I don't know what you want me to say. Wait, is there like date time or something? Date time? Is date now? What does date now return? Okay, nice. So it's different. That's good enough. No, of course I'm biased. Yeah, I like boot dev. I would not be working with boot dev if I didn't think that they were doing good stuff. Obviously. New file name. Nothing. What's supposed to go inside here? String options, data write options. Await this. C time and C number. Okay, so we can just await this. This should create some new file. And then this should be neovim start flag. We don't need this. We can say new file path. Group buddy, that's my own. It's my own one. Union trades welding, start the apprenticeship with no knowledge. Get through 5 years apprenticeship, go to school, 5 years as a journeyman. Yeah. Yeah, it's here. There you go. Alright, so let's see if we can make this happen. Because my sort of thought on this would be, oh, I do need to say what file type I want it to be though. Right, because it can't be ML every time. We need to do something like prompt user for file extension. Right, and that's going to be plugin dot app dot workspace dot vault, maybe. How do we do neovim include modal? This is some sort of like modal action here. Prompt. Is there like input? Popover suggests attach input element or div to take type add support. I just want a popover like input. Like text input, maybe something like this. I don't know how to make that though. Const input is new text input prompt. Is that right? Prompt. I don't know. Let's see. Add a new prompt input in Obsidian plugin. What's it? Dev code Teej. 25% off. Yeah. Let's see. My plugin sense plugin, add setting tab, prompt input, prompt modal. It is prompt modal. What? No, we gotta make a prompt modal. Modal. Nice. There's really no just like text one. What is modal here? Modal. Suggest modal. Code includer modal. App. Shouldn't this be... I've got no idea what this is going to look like though. Plugin dot app input dot open on open on close, I guess, right? Does on this just takes a modal? Okay, so we need to make some like class text modal implements modal. Whoops. Or extends modal, I guess, right? Then can I say on close this dot, can I say set title, set content dot inner text console log this, I guess, maybe text modal input dot open okay, we can try that, I guess. So this is generate new one, generate a new neovim. Hello. Oh, so it made a modal, but there's no like prompt or anything inside. Got it. I'm waiting on the font stuff till an answer back from US Graphics. Same use Prime Zone. Nice. Yeah, if you like me and Prime, you can't decide. You can use promo code BTW. BTW. It gives me and Prime one, which is nice. This makes sense. Yeah, but I'm worried that I'm doing something wrong there. You know what I mean? This is on open. So this would be like create, which would be like, whoops. Yeah, whoops. Enter file extension, text, submit. Yeah, we can try this. Generate, ML, enter, prompt entered, ML, beautiful. How do I make it so that enter does this as well? How would I make enter submit the form? Yeah, I'll try Claude though, later. Prime and I are gonna try it later. Nice. I would say this color scheme on HTML is awful. What do you mean? Which one? It's early on this game of Hawaii. What's up, Maniac? It's good to see you, buddy. So this should be, what do we do with the result, which is like extension, string, extension, string. So then this should take something like submit or something like this, which takes some string and returns void, something like this. Submit. Say, I don't even remember how to do this. Say like this dot submit is submit. And then this dot close, then it's on close, we'll say this submit this dot this. We actually don't need to do this. Oh, we should do this submit. Right. Yeah, we want to do this. This submit. Oh no, we can do this close. Oh, I don't even know. What would be in the way that you do this? It's kind of stupid. I don't know. What would you say? Input value, string. This input value is this, right? This dot input value is this. this dot close. And we can go this dot submit, this dot input value. Okay. Okay, so then we need to do submit is something that takes this and does this. And we can say value string void. And then that should be fine. Oh, right, we can say async. Can I not do that? I guess I don't care. We're not gonna do anything with it, so it doesn't matter. Generate ML. Oh, interesting. It put it in my weird spot for my... It put it in a weird spot for my selection. Why would it have put that there? Oh, we should probably put this here at the beginning before we do that. We get the view at the beginning. That makes sense. Huh, it puts that in such a weird spot. Why would it put it there? I don't get that, chat. Why am I getting that? Oh, we probably want the current selection later because this is not really right anymore, probably. How dare you, Scottston? Don't you know you're supposed to create a monad? It's not monad. What's up, Shadow? What are you building? Shenanigans inside of Obsidian for my blog and some other stuff like this. We'll see what happens. So let me see here. Can I do... View.get select get like cursor selection editor get line get cursor. Okay, nice. We could do this, right? So this would be like const position is this, right? So this should be an editor position. So if we do if not view or not position, return, we'll just return that we should have both of those. We should basically say view dot editor. Oh, but I wonder if this happens too late. This seems kind of weird because like, is this too late? View dot editor dot what? How did we modify this before? This dot app alt modify. No, I don't want to do that. That seems weird. Modify. No, lines. Replace range. Replacement string. And we can say position like this, I think. We can try this. Oh, that's pretty close actually. But why do we get sent all the way to the top? That's so weird. That part's so weird. I don't get what's going on there. So let's do position is position dot position dot character is 0. Position dot line is something like this. If not position, then return. That should be already fine, but it's whatever. So looks a Mega Million Dollar Star repository public. That's a good question. I don't actually know if I did make it public or not. Oops. Okay, so it's so weird because why is it doing this? Why is it putting random stuff all the way at the top of this? Because this part's actually good. This is like what I want. Oh, maybe we don't have to do this either. We can go here. We can say this is ML. We can do this and this. We'll just do this and say dot this. Okay. How many custom commands does NeoVim have? There's a lot. Okay, this part makes no sense. Why would you do this? Why would this insert lines at the very top of this file? That doesn't make any sense. This part works great. Because then I've got all of these files, and I should be able to click this one. Ah! Oops, no, not this one. No. Why did it not generate a .ml this time? Why did it not generate... Oh, that's right, because I put it down here. Delete. Yeah, delete that one. Okay, we're getting closer, though. We're getting much closer. We're getting much closer. So this is new file name. Okay, so we want to do this. We want to say... To create this, I want to create it in /code/this. But this should be like this, and then this one should be like this. But to do this, I want to say new file name here. Whoops. Delete till the end of that. New file. We just make sure that we actually make this. That's fine. What else am I doing inside of here? Replace range. Character. Console.log position. After and before. Let's try that. Generate. Include NeoVim block ML. Okay. So this one didn't completely scuff this, but I also don't see did it not insert anything? Can I reprise a reading of off? Enter file extension submits. Did we not get this at all? Console log view and position. Okay. Loaded, true. Line 58. Yeah, that seems good. Character 0. It doesn't seem like I don't get my before or after. Oh my goodness. This dot submit this input value. Oops. ML. Okay, nice. So we got this again, and we got the before and after, and we actually generated this, and we actually get this file. Should be able to say, let print end line wow. And we go back to here. And then we say update NeoVim things here. And then we get this. Nice. Okay, so that's actually not so bad. You know what I mean? Like, that's a pretty okay workflow, I feel like, of getting those included. I don't know why it sets my view so weirdly. Right? Does it still, if I go, include, and we say, include, or generate, I mean, with a file like C or something like this, right? Why does it put my cursor way up here? I don't know that one. I don't know that one. But we should be able to do this, and I can say like int main return 0. And then we should be able to do a generate. Swelker! What's up, buddy? Ooh, we should probably also do if it's empty, we won't do anything. Extension equals Swelker, just don't pay attention. It's not what it looks like, okay? It's not what it looks like. It's not what it looks like, okay? It's just not what it looks like. I promise. I promise, okay? It does this, yes, it's just a blogging thing. Pay no attention to the code that's being written inside NeoVim though. Okay, pay no attention to the code inside of NeoVim. You know what I'm saying? Does JavaScript have, does JavaScript just have else if like this? Ryan's just always trying to throw shade at me. Rip OCaml. No, I'm writing TypeScript to generate a blog to help me with my blog post about OCaml. Okay? Okay? Okay, so watch this, right? Module something is struct, type T is int n, something like this, right? Does it only have one? Okay, let's say we save this. We go back to where we were before. Whoops. Oh, whoops. That's not the right button. Whoopsie doopsie is not the right button. Update. Look at that. We could, but then I would have to figure out how to write classes and inheritance and other shenanigans. And I don't know how to do that. I really don't want to think about that. This rabbit hole goes deep. Each of these blocks spawns a new NeoVim. That NeoVim generates HTML based on its current highlights and writes that back over standard error. That standard error is then included inside of these code blocks with the exact highlight definitions that NeoVim uses, so that when I press publish changes and I push this to my blog, here we go, we're right here, and I refresh the page, we get exactly the highlights that I would have if I open this file in NeoVim. Now that is peak yak shaving. Okay? Screenshots. Exactly, screenshots suck. Screenshots suck. You can't do this. You can't have this. Do you guys not see? Do you guys not see this copy button here? Okay. You gonna put that on a screenshot? Are you just gonna? You're not! You could have a copy button on a screenshot. Dang. I've been had. You've got a point. Yo, dog, I heard you like build steps. There's no build steps, Ryan, because there's nothing. It only happens when I run a command. So nice try. Ha! It doesn't work that way. Also, I had to write a custom code block renderer so that these would render this way. Because obviously, like, you can't do this. So there's like, so we've got quite a bit of cool stuff going on here, chat. Okay. So that's the only reason we're writing TypeScript. I love this, actually. Thank you. Finally! Finally, there's someone who loves this. Thank you. Hey, Lime, thank you for the sub as well. Yeah, we can put anything we want up here as well. That's totally fine. Can you demo it again? I love it and I hate it. Sure, we have this file and then we say something like this. Let's say like let make you know, I don't know, x int equals t, and we could say that this takes int to t, something like this, right? And then we can save this file. I'm gonna make this edit in NeoVim soon. It's just not ready yet. I haven't figured that part out yet. One part at a time. We go back over to here, right? This is the file right here. We click generate or update, I mean, and then you'll see that this happens right here. And then we can just press publish whenever we're ready, right? So it's like, oh, you're iterating on it, iterating, done, right? And now I refresh this page, and then that's live. Right? Right, chat? Exactly. Thank you, Ryan. You understand. Can I read the blog in my terminal? Sure, use links. Like a true terminal enjoyer, bad cop. Support all language out of the box. Supports every language I open in NeoVim. I mean, like, you know what I mean? Because it will look like whatever my NeoVim looks like. So yeah, not only that, chat. Let's say I wanted to do something slightly more complicated. Let's say I wanted to show that this is an error, and I went something like this, and I said Obsidian HTML, and then we just wanted to go ahead and put this in as another example here. I could just, oops, not this one. I could just paste this in here, and then, yeah, we can also get the exact error messages and highlights as well. If we really wanted those. Yep. Yep. I was thinking as well, one of the things I thought of, vertlines, nvim, LSP. I wanted to do this. I think it's called LSP lines. Is this the one? Someone else has a different one now, I guess, maybe? Is there a way to do this in NeoVim just out of the box? Diagnostic, config, vert lines. Is there a vert overlay right inline? You need one article to hot dog. It would be possible to do, I think. Yeah. Shell mode, replace command button, string any, ELL, overlay, right align, inline. Is there not a LSP lines? There's like 3 of them. Because we could also do this strategy as well. Does Folky have one? Then hot dog it? Ryan, now you're thinking. Because I want to, this would be a really good one to use, right? When's the last time? Oh, so this one does work. I just need to, oh, sweet. Okay. Here, I want to try this. Let's try this. Because one thing I wanted to try and do, because I think this would be pretty this would be pretty sweet, would be yeah, so let's go ahead and try this over here. Yeah, we don't need this anymore either. LSP. Let's try this. Okay, so we can put this. We can try this. Require LSP lines dot setup. I don't know what this is going to do. We'll just see what happens. So let's try this. Let's go ahead and go back to here. Let's go to something like git plugin. Whoops. Git octane. And then, okay, we'll install this. OCaml exec. Let's go down to user ID. Right, and let's say we change this to D like this. Yeah. Right, so now we would just, the only thing we'd want to do to make sure that we could turn this off, right, would be vim.diagnostic.config virtual text is false, right? And we can do this. Go back to exec. We can go to a user.id here, and we go like this. And so now when we want to look at this, we should be able to go like this, I think, and go Obsidian HTML. And then I think we can go like this. And yepers, chat. I just closed Obsidian. Nice. I meant to do that. Right, so then we just, I don't want this one. This one's not good looking. Right? But this one's pretty good looking. We publish the changes here. You can look at it now. Now we say, I want to point out some errors. And we get exactly this. Now, maybe we need to set this font a little smaller. Maybe we need to make this a little bit wider. I'm not really sure what the right answer is for this, because it does feel a little thin for writing code. Right, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know how to make this a little bit wider. We probably, maybe actually, I bet if Damie's still here, probably knows, but is there a terminal on here? I use Westerm right now. Answer is always wide. I think, or we make this text a bit smaller. You know what I mean? Like, I think it should be a little wider. I think it could go to be a touch wider, or at least pre should be able to be a little bit wider. But I don't know how to do that. I'm sure there's something to tell me how this gets calculated, right? Interactive graph. Yeah, we could get rid of graph. I mean, right now it's not that exciting. I guess it's usually not that nice because we have the backlinks at the bottom. Maybe we do just turn the graph off. We can try it for a while without the graph. Okay. Okay. And then I don't think it automatically expands. We need some way to figure out how to say how wide, like, this part should be here, right? Because this is just not really that wide. I don't know how it's calculated, right? It's sort of like markdown preview section, markdown preview rendered. It must be this markdown preview sizer. Page width 800 pics. Publish container. Change middle section. Nice. Okay. 800 pic. Page width. Page title weight. So it's just not in here either right now. There's a page width variable in dot published container. Published container. So I can say page width and say, I don't know, 1,000 pics, something like this. And we can try that. Does that make that wider? Okay, nice. That does make it wider. I think that that's not so bad. I mean, that's pretty cool, right, chat? Is that not cool? Would you like max with 90? Yeah, but do you really want it stretching all the way to here? You know what I mean? Like, I don't think you really want it to go all the way to here. We probably also should set this to be like scrolly or something. An obsidian theming is variable heavy to help avoid themes. Yep, it makes sense. How can I make this like scrolly side to side if it gets overflow? I'm using obsidian's thing. Seems a bit off for vertical lines. Yeah, we might be able to make some of those shorter. Max width min 90% or something like this. Oh yeah. That could work. That could work. Make it drag resizable like a split window. Not a bad idea, really. So chat, but how do I make it so that instead of wrapping, I don't want it to wrap. I want it to like scroll. What do I do for that? Just not obsidian specific. I only want it for these, for NeoVim code blocks. You know what I mean? Overflow X auto. Add Vim binding for closing sidebar. we could do some key map shenanigans. Yes. NeoVim. Overflow X auto. White space pre overflow X auto over scroll behavior X none. Okay. So does this matter that it's, so we could say auto over scroll behavior X none white space pre, something like this you're saying? Let's also go ahead and make a really long line one so we can see it, which would be like this one. We can say, wow, this is a really long line. It should just cause this to wrap or to scroll instead of wrapping. Wow, 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 wow. Right? Something like this. Scroll bar width thin. Ooh, nice. I like that. Scroll bar width thin. So then what do we want to do? We want to say update, and then we'll make sure that this gets a really long one. Okay, great. And then we'll do publish changes. We'll publish both of those. Then we should, I think that's going to be long enough, right? Oh, but we don't want it all the time. How could I make it? Oh, it's getting so jacked up because of the spinning. That's funny. That's because of the hover thing, I guess. That's because of hover. I don't really know. How do I don't want it to show up when there's nothing to scroll. Yeah, your button is that DOM tree, so your button is in that DOM tree, so it's overflowing. Oh, that makes sense. I've been bamboozled by my own on pre instead. Okay. Is there an easier way? I don't know if there's like an easier way for me to test this or not. Okay, nice. Well, it's actually kind of good. You can like kind of see through it. Oh, but this didn't wrap now. Or it did wrap, but I wanted scroll for this one. Is someone who just got their first job working in front-end dev, how do you resolve this issue with the DOM tree? Well, you can look at here, and then you can Google to find out what different things do, and you can try a bunch of stuff, and then you pay attention and learn it, and then try and remember for the next time. But I really don't care about divs, so you're probably asking the wrong person about divs. Right, so like it's just not really. It's probably not the right div. Yeah. Div. Oh, I gotta go pretty soon, chat. Well, this is still pretty good. This is so cool. Can I make the line height a little bit? I hate scrolling to the left, right. Yeah, but I also hate wrapped lines. Line height normal. Can I make it smaller? How can I make it smaller? It seems like they're too far apart. I want them to touch here. 1 rem. Oh, I'm in diagnostic error. Whoops, my bad. I need to do for this whole pre. There we go. Line height 1 rem. Maybe that's a little too small though. That's a little much, don't you think? It seems a little squished. Code whitespace free to fix scrolling. 01 EM. Does it not look a little squished to you guys? It looks a little squished to me. Let's not play with that yet, because we're going to get Berkeley Mono on here somehow. What's up, Afnan? At some point, and then we can play with making it look better once we actually have the proper font. I'm not super worried about it right now. We'll just wait. We'll hodl on that. Okay, I think I gotta go. I gotta go, chat. My family's coming over tonight. Prime's not back on again, is he? Loser. To-do list is hungry. Must feed. Ooh, we could rate Adam. I think we rated Adam kind of recently, though. Who else is on right now? Do we have any Neovim? Oh, we do. Code, Cat's Coffee. Not bad. Keybind. Portfolio improvements. Learnings. Improving a portfolio. Nice. How do you download buttons work? I like it. Thanks for hanging out, chat. Might be back sometime this weekend or tonight or something. I don't know. I really want to do a little bit more for this because I'm pretty excited. It's actually turning out really nice. It's actually turning out like really nice. You know? I love rating people who are trying out new stuff. It's awesome. So now we can say got some pretty cool ways to display errors exactly as I have them in Neovim for the blog. I think this will be pretty cool when it's done. Of course, I'll write a post about how we made this two post things when I'm done. All right, sweet. All right, see you later, everybody. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.